Okay guys, we're gonna get some vlog right now. We're gonna get some order now. Hands up, hands up. Skin na lang. Butter garlic shrimp. Fried kung Uy, pili na muna.
Birthday ko, order ako ito. Mampan.
Ganito po siya mag-order. Nag-notes po siya. And here's my older sister. Yeah. Kakagaling niya lang ng school. Na guys. Ayun din. Right now, we're going to eat na. Eh, pati na lang sa baba. Magagaling na ubos. Buntes.